western Prince George's County in central Maryland, northwestern Charles County in southern Maryland, Stafford County in northern Virginia, King George County in central Virginia, the eastern city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, southeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, southeastern Prince William County in northern Virginia, east central Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles west of Triangle to Stafford to near Massaponax, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Stafford, Gale City, Springfield, Fredericksburg, Groveton, Fort Belvoir, King George, Woodbridge, Dahlgren, Quantico, Fairview Beach, Nanjemoy Creek, Aquia Creek, Potomac Creek, Port Tobacco River, Lake Ridge, Montclair, Lorton, Franconia, and Newington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Oxon Hill, or over National Harbor, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, for those in the direct path of a tornado touchdown, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Forestville, Coral Hills, Andrews Air Force Base, Camp Springs, Oxon Hill, Walker Mill, Temple Hills, and Marlow Heights around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Morningside, District Heights, Suitland Silver Hill, Forest Heights, and Capitol Heights. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Northwestern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, Calvert County in southern Maryland, Prince George's County in central Maryland, eastern Charles County in southern Maryland, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Bladensburg to 7 miles southwest of Dunkirk to near Wicomico River, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Waldorf, Bowie, Severn, Annapolis, Clinton, College Park, Crofton, Greenbelt, Riviera Beach, Forestville, Largo, Chesapeake Ranch Estates, Coral Hills, Bladensburg, Mayo, Shadyside, Chesapeake Beach, Deal, Naval Academy, and Leonardtown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.